Amid outrage over Bengal brutality, the doctors continued to be up in arms. We have seen protests, strikes and partial suspension of medical services as doctors demand strong measures to ensure safety of medics at workplaces. Now, the Indian Medical Association has written to the Prime Minister seeking his intervention. The IMA in its letter also listed 5 demands. The IMA has demanded a central act to strengthen the existing 25 state legislation. The IMA further demanded that the hospitals should be declared safe zones with security protocols no less than an airport. Referring to the 36 hours of duty shift that the victim was in, the letter called for a thorough overhaul of the working and living conditions of the resident doctors. In addition to this, the apex body of medical professionals sought professional investigation into the case and a dignified compensation for the victim's family. IMA's letter to PM came after Union Health Ministry assured the doctors to take necessary steps to safeguard health professionals. The Association of Doctors were told that the centre was fully aware of the situation and was attentive to their demands. To address the concerns raised, the Union Health Ministry assured to form a committee that will look into all possible measures to provide safe working environment to medical professionals. These assurances were given after representatives from the Federation of Resident Doctors Association and the Indian Medical Association met the Health Ministry officials. However, the doctors' bodies are taking these assurances with a pinch of salt, saying earlier also committees have been formed, but nothing happened.
One was a crime in a workplace, and the next one was an assault on a hospital, the hospital attack, as we call it. And such an attack in the middle of the night could not have been a response of one person who committed the crime. It gives a doubt that there is a organized thinking behind this crime. And the mob went up to the 3rd floor, which is the crime site. So there are reasons to believe. One, it was to terrorize the students from staying away from the protest. And perhaps that it also means that there was an attempt to destroy the evidence.
हमारी सिर्फ यही रिक्वेस्ट है, डिमांड है कि हम एक सेफ वर्क प्लेस चाहते हैं, मेनली सब मेडिकल वर्कर्स के लिए, पैरामेडिकल वर्कर्स के लिए, और जो हमारे फीमेल साथी हैं, कोवर्कर्स के, उनके लिए कम से कम वो बच्चियां आएं या कोवर्कर्स आएं, अपने आप को सेफ महसूस करें। देखिए, कमेटी पहले भी बन चुकी है, पहली बार भी इतने असॉल्ट हो चुके हैं, आप देखते हैं रोज डॉक्टर्स पे असॉल्ट होते हैं, कितनी बार हम स्ट्राइक करें। ये दिस इज लिमिट मीन टू से द मर्डर एंड रेप इन ए ब्रूटल हीनियस वे, दिस इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल एट ऑल। तो ये हम इसको नहीं एक्सेप्ट करते। अगर गवर्नमेंट ने अगर दिया है, हमारे पे आधिकारिक तौर पे नहीं आया, हम अपनी एक एग्जीक्यूटिव की कमेटी करेंगे, उसके बाद फिर